Now, for this one, Towell's name on Facebook is quite a long one, so I think we need to get a bit of a close-up on this and just come in a bit. Tom, Towley, Bear, Toby, Towell, Towel, Matt Cod, I don't even know, something like Russian? But the point is that he's not Russian, and if anything, he's a Rodney Mullen wannabe. Now, the upside is he's quite short, and that isn't just a joke on the size of his penis because he's been circumcised. But without ado, here's Towley's part.
Sound travels in the ground shakes, and now society is going on a wild chase. Tell them we'll be back in 60 seconds with the loud bass. We're moving at our pace. No giving up, no giving in. We're match fit, we're here to win. For those who don't know, but filament, information. We're the reddest out here, no imitation. All around the world, no immigration, and we get it in without an invitation.